Iraqi court issues arrest warrant for Trump over assassination of General Soleimani, PMU deputy commander. An Iraqi court has ordered the arrest of outgoing US President Donald Trump as part of its investigation into the assassination of top Iranian anti-terror commander Lieutenant General Qasem Soleimani and his Iraqi trenchmate Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis in a US drone strike near Baghdad International Airport on January last year. The arrest warrant issued by Baghdad Rusawa Investigation Court applies to the Trump under Article 406 of the Iraqi Penal Code, which provides for the death penalty in all cases of premeditated murder. The arrest warrant issued by Baghdad Rusafa Investigation Court applies to Trump under Article 406 of the Iraqi Penal Code, which provides for the death penalty in all cases of premeditated murder. General Soleimani, the commander of the Quds Force of Iran's Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, and Mohandes, the deputy head of Iraq's Popular Mobilization Units, were assassinated along with their companions in a US terror drone strike authorized by Trump near Baghdad International Airport on January 3, 2020. Iraqi lawmakers approved a bill 2 days after the attack demanding the withdrawal of all foreign military forces led by the United States from the country. Both commanders were admired by Muslim nations for eliminating the US-sponsored Daesh Takfiri terrorist group in the region, particularly in Iraq and Syria. The US assassination drew a wave of commendation from officials and movements throughout the world and triggered huge public protests across the region. According to the US Defense Department, more than 100 American forces suffered traumatic brain injuries during the counterstrike on the base. Early on January 8 last year, the IRGC targeted the US-run Ain al-Assad Air Base in the Iraq's western province of Anbar to retaliate the assassination of General Soleimani. The IRGC, however, says Washington uses the term to mask the number of the Americans who perished during the retaliation. Iran has described the missile attack on Ain al-Assad Air Base as a first slap. Head of Iranian's Judiciary High Council for Human Rights al-Bakiri Kani announced on December 28 last year that the country had identified and was prosecuting 48 individuals for masterminding and connecting General Soleimani's assassination.